Hey everybody, my name is Joshua Tucker. I work here at Gateway Materials Test Center. Today we're going to talk to you about the Astm D7249, which is the standard test method for sandwich core construction materials. We're talking about the facings of these materials too. So today we're going to tell you a little bit about sample preparation, what all goes into that. We're going to tell you about how the test method is set up and a little bit about the results, how they're processed, and how we give them to the customer. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we have a sample of some material that a company could have sent us. This material here is a honeycomb inner core material surrounded by fiberglass sheeting, and that's what a sandwich core composite is. They can be made with foam on the inside with another aramid for the sheeting. You know, it doesn't matter, but this right here, this Astm D7249 is made for this type of sample. So these go into a lot of aerospace projects. This could be a surface or mostly for inner parts of the airplane, like the cabins and things like that. So we take this sample and we cut it down on a table saw like this into specific specimens that are this size. This is 24 inches by 3 inches. This way it can go into our long beam flexure apparatus. And we take measurements from the core, from the facings, and all of that, and then we test it. So let's go see the test. Alright, so hello again. Right here we have our specimen, our sandwich core composite set into our long beam fixture. We have a support span of 22 inches right here and a loading span of 4 inches there. Now again, for this test method, it's the D7249. We're interested in the properties associated with the facings of this material. So before we put this specimen into the fixture here, we would have measured the thickness and the thickness of each of the individual facings, as well as the width of the specimen. Now for this test, you also would like to have strain gauges on both sides of the specimen there, and that's just for strain for those individual facings, so you can get modulus. But for the test here, we're only using an LVDT set in between the loading span, just so we can get deflection. That's all we really want for this test. So once we have it set in, we load it up slightly to adjust our spherically seated supports here, or loading supports, just so that we can get all that slack out of there. And we zero our LVDT and we are ready to go. Alright, so we hope you enjoyed our presentation of the Astm D7249, the standard test method for facing properties of sandwich core materials. Once again, we are Gateway Materials Test Center. I am Joshua Tucker. If you have any products out there that might need to be tested in this way, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Our phone number is 336-217-5185. Have a great day.